Hey everyone, I'm Sunil from OutKlip. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a screencast on a Mac device. There are two main approaches to record a screencast on a Mac. You can do it through an app, for example, Quicktime, which is installed by default on your Mac, or you can do it through a browser extension like OutKlip. In this video, I'm going to show you the latter approach, which is using a browser extension for screen recording. Now, you might be wondering, why would one want to use a browser extension for screen recording? And there are two reasons for that. One is only browser extensions have a special recording mode that lets you record a single browser tab along with the browser tab audio. This mode is not available with apps on a Mac. So that's one of the reasons. Another reason is often when we are working on our Macs, we do most of our work in the browser. So it's a lot more efficient to launch and to record a screencast from in the browser itself. So with that, I'm going to show you a quick demo of how to make a screencast using a browser extension. To use the OutKlip browser extension, you need to install it in your browser. OutKlip is available for 4 browsers. It's available for Chrome, for Microsoft Edge, for Opera, as well as for Brave. So if you're using any of these 4 browsers, you can use the OutKlip extension. Here I have Chrome open, so I'm going to be using Chrome for the purposes of this demo. And I have already installed the OutKlip Chrome extension, which is what you see here. This is the page to the OutKlip Chrome extension, and I will share a link to this in the description below. Now, once you've installed it, you can start making recordings. You need to also sign up to OutKlip before you make that first recording, but once you're signed in, you can just keep making screencasts. So let's go here and then let's launch the OutKlip Chrome extension by clicking on the OutKlip extension icon on top. It comes with several options. You've got 3 modes of recording. You have a desktop mode, which captures your entire screen. You have a tab mode, which, as I mentioned earlier, captures just a single browser tab with the tab audio. Or you can record the camera only, where you don't want to record your screen, but just want to record yourself on the camera. For this recording, I'm going to show you how to make a desktop recording, which captures everything on your screen. Everything you see is going to make it to the video. So you can enable your microphone to capture your voice while recording so you can narrate. You can also turn on camera, which is why you see me here in the corner. And let's click record. And here we have to choose what we want to share. And today we're going to share our entire screen. Let's click on that and click on share. So we have a quick countdown before we begin recording, and now we're recording. So at this point, we are recording everything we see on the screen. And the next thing I'm going to do is I can go between tabs. I can show anything I want. I can open a different application and show things on it. So these are all the things you can do with the desktop mode of recording. If you're doing a single tab recording, everything you see in a single tab is the only thing that's recorded. Even if you switch tabs, none of that makes it to your eventual video. Anyway, so I wanted to show you a quick demo video, so I'm going to stop recording right now. And when you do that, it just takes a few seconds to upload the video, so it's ready for you to view on outklip.com. Now, OutKlip automatically uploads all videos you make, so you can instantly share it the moment you're done recording. So we're back here, and you can play back the video that you just made. You also get a refresh for better video playback. So this enables you to do a better video playback. So let's click that to refresh the video. And here we have it, the video we just made. So you can share the link to this video by just clicking copy link, and it'll copy the link to the clipboard. If you want to download this video and edit it further, you can click on this and download an MP3 version or a WebM or even a short GIF. You can then share it to Twitter, Facebook, or you can embed this video in any website of your choice. You can upload to YouTube. You can also put the video on Google Drive if that's where you store all your files. You can share this video link through a Gmail. So these are the main options that are for sharing or for downloading the video. You can also add a call to action button on the video, which I will show in a separate video on this channel. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on that video. Or you can even edit the video. I'm going to have a whole series of videos that show you how to edit your video using OutKlip. So you can click on it, and as you can see, there are 8 different ways of editing your video if you want to share it with somebody in a really polished format. So this concludes the demo. And I hope you liked and understood what all the steps that I went through in order to create this video. So we've reached the end of this video, and I hope you got something out of our demo in how to use a browser extension like OutKlip to make a screencast recording on your Mac device. Now, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll continue to make more such useful videos like tips and tutorials to help you make better screencasts and better video editing so that you can really create videos that capture viewers' interest. So I hope you can subscribe to this channel if you find these videos helpful. And thank you very much. Until next time, bye-bye.